Hey everybody, my name is Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username in Cara app. And let's open up Cara, and first of all let's open the profile tab, and here just below the display name you can see your username. And if you want to change it, do the following. And first of all, tap on the three bars at the top right corner, and now go to settings and select edit profile. And here you can change your display name, email, and username, of course. So let's try to change username. So the most important thing to remember when you're changing your username is that it must be unique. If we type here, for example, N, and click on save, it will not work. Bad request, as you can see, but we can type here Nick123, for example, and save it. And it worked. Don't forget to subscribe to How to PC channel and like this video. Bye bye.